Did you know that in March 2026, the world will witness a spectacular blood moon, a rare lunar eclipse, a breathtaking event that will be best experienced in North and South America? If this celestial event ignites your curiosity, consider a study abroad path that connects your passion to academic excellence. Explore world-class astrophysics programs at the UK's leading institutions. From planetary science to deep space exploration, these universities offer the perfect launchpad. University of Hertfordshire, specializing in BSc Astrophysics with Space Science and MSc Astrophysics. University of Leicester, renowned for research excellence, offering MPhil and undergraduate pathways. Royal Holloway, University of London, combining academic prestige with cutting-edge research. Their curriculum combines theoretical exploration with practical research experience, utilizing their well-equipped teaching observatory. Are you ready to embark on your cosmic journey? Send us a direct message or reach out to us today to get started with your study abroad plans.